A major part of the PCI DSS requirements are around process and documentation. The Mako system enables merchants to have access to all of the processes they require. The first time a merchant enters the documentation section of the site and clicks the Assessment tab, they are asked a number of questions, which firstly assesses them with the correct self-assessment questionnaire level. Once the assessment level is known, the site will automatically start a merchant PCI DSS assessment. These questions need to be completed by the merchant. The questions include help pages, which will assist the merchant with answering the SAQ questions correctly. The paper version of the SAQ-C document has 41 technical questions that a merchant must answer. Using the Mako system, we only need to ask 6 business questions. This is because we know how the Mako system is configured. Once all of the questions have been answered, the system will let the merchant know if they have passed or failed the compliance. In this example, the merchant has successfully passed compliance. Heading back to the main page of the Documentation tab gives a dashboard view, clearly showing that an assessment has been completed and passed. At this point, the merchant can review their security policy document, which they must read and follow. The security policy aims to clearly define the security requirements specific to the management of the company's technology systems, and should be read by all staff so they can familiarize themselves with it and use it as an ongoing reference. The merchant is required to send back their completed SAQ report to their acquiring bank on an annual basis. The SAQ report button enables the merchant to review the pre-populated SAQ report, which can be emailed or mailed to their bank to satisfy the bank's requirement. Covers some registers that a merchant must also keep. These include a list of third-party companies the merchant deals with on the payment side of their business, and a change management register, which includes a risk analysis. These registers are very simple, deliberately so they are usable. Under the Asset Register, any hardware devices added as part of the Mako system PCI DSS template wizard are shown here. The last tab is a simple register of the merchant's details. This concludes the walkthrough of merchant actions when using a Mako system, in order to self-assess PCI DSS compliance.